Hello guys, do you want to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram? So you're on the right place because in this video I'm going to tell you that how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, simply open up your Instagram app and then tap on this messenger icon on the top right corner and select a chat in which you want to turn on the Vanish mode. Just simply tap on that surface and swipe up like in this way and hold it. So like in this way you can turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. So if you want to turn it off, just simply again swipe up and hold it like in this way. So once you turn on a Vanish mode, the when you do a chat with someone and you close the chat, the all of the messages get deleted automatically. So that's how you can easily turn on a vanish mode on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you in my next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen.